The melting of glaciers in Europe has uncovered the remains of a plane that crashed 54 years ago in the Swiss Alps. Specifically, the place where the parts of the aircraft have been located is in the Aletsch Glacier, the largest in Western Europe, according to local media in the Swiss country. The aircraft located is a Piper Cherokee with registration number HBOYL that crashed on June 30, 1968 in the area with 3 people on board, a teacher and a doctor and his son, all from Zurich. The bodies were recovered at that time, although the crashed aircraft was not searched for and could not be recovered because rescue techniques were not sufficiently advanced at that time to operate on Aletsch, a glacier that rises at an altitude of 4,000 meters in the famous Jungfrau mountain massif. After half a century of oblivion, the wreckage was found by a mountain guide on Thursday, August 4, who notified the cantonal police of the discovery so that work can begin shortly to recover the device.